CRO. Enterprise structure, definition, sales org, new entries, SD-61, shell, sale org, AED, SD-61, SD-61. Okay, rebate process active, and everything is okay. Save AE. Okay, SD-61. Okay, this is also done. Sales org is made very easy, pretty simple. Distribution channel. Now, what is a sales org? What's a distribution channel? Let's see that. Okay. Now, sales org reports to company code. Distribution channel reports to sales org. Now, distribution channel can be geographical addresses like your sales centers. So we have sales offices as well, which report to sales org. Then we have sales area, which is a combination of sales office plus distribution centers, distribution channels, and that becomes a sales area. So your sales area or distribution channels or sales areas can be your profit centers. Okay, that depends on your business process, client's business process. Okay. Now, distribution channel S1 or SS, that is Sharjah, Shang. SD, that is Dubai, Shang. Entry already exists, DS, Dubai, Shang. Okay. DS, save. Okay, distribution channel is made. Next step, sales office. New entries, SS, Shang, SD, Shang, Dubai. AE, AE. Okay, Shang, Dubai. Save. Sales group. Now, sales group can be different as per your product description. Okay. Sales group can be for different products. For example, if you're selling detergents, surf, chemicals, liquid, washing liquid, for example. Okay. And what else? Soaps. So these can be your sales groups. So we'll just keep one. Okay. One share. Shag sales group. We'll just keeping one. Otherwise, we can have multiple. Okay. Definition, materials management, maintain storage location. Storage location is basically dependent on a plant. Storage location is reporting to plant, and plant is reporting to company code. This is the hierarchy. ST61, and we have already made this. Okay, Ajman, Sharjah. You can also have other locations as well. Purchase org is already made. Okay. Now, definition, sales and distribution. Assign sales or assign sales org to company code. Now you can understand the hierarchy. ST61, ST61. Okay, save. Assign distribution channel to sales org. Sales org, ST61, ST. Oh no, it was SS Sharjah Chang. Okay, and ST61 DS. Dubai Shang. Okay, so this distribution channel. Now you have distributors, network of distributors. This is the same thing. Okay, network of distributors is distribution channel. Assign division to sales org. Sales org, new entries, ST61 division. Okay. Shang not found. And diabetics and pharma. Okay, we didn't make a division. We'll have to make a division also. Okay. Division can be a product. So Shang is not found. Maybe we'll find for Sharjah. Sharjah also not found. Okay. Um, division. Division. Okay, new entries, division. Now, division can also be your product. Okay, so let's do SD, that's Shang detergent, and already exist. Okay, let's say yes, detergent Shang. Detergent Shang. Assignment, assign division to sales org. ST61 and DS detergent, Shang detergent. Okay. You can have alphanumeric also, but I'm keeping it only alphabetical to keep it easy. Okay. Sales area. Now, this basically is your ST61 distribution channel is SS Sharjah Shang division is DS. Division is your product, right? It's your product, detergent. ST61 DS is your Dubai Shang distribution channel, and same detergent is being sold here. Okay, save. Okay, assign sales office to sales area. Now your sales office is getting assigned to sales area. ST61 distribution channel is SS. DS division is your detergent. Sales office is ST61. DS Shang Dubai, and
Can
Sharjah.
add any other ones like this?
Oh yes, we can add multiple as much as you want based on your distribution channel, division, and location, sales office. Sales, it will get more
Okay,
complex.
we have the remedy. Okay.
Okay, it will get more complex. More distribution channels, more divisions, and keep that will keep on multiplying. Okay, and based on that, your sales office will be operating using that division and distribution channel. Okay, that's how it works. Assign sales group to sales office. Now, sales group, new entries, Shang Dubai. Sales group, sales group. Oh, oh. Shang sales group. Okay. So we have DS, which is Dubai office, sales office. Oh no. Shang SD, Shang Dubai, and Sharia sales. Okay. And I said G, Shang sales group. Save. Okay. So this goes deep, and you have to be a little bit into planning out how your hierarchy will be laid out. Okay, sales org ST61, distribution channel is DS, I guess. Dubai Shang, SS, Sharjah Shang. Okay, plant ST61, ST61. Okay, so you're interlinking everything together. You are planning out a good, solid uh, sales establishment. Okay, this is done. Now comes in a little bit more complex setting: financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, edit chart of accounts list. This is very important. Okay, new entries, ST61, Shang, Chang, chart of accounts. Maintenance language will be English, and 5 will be the length of GL account number, because this is how you will integrate with SD, right? Finance and SD, this is how they're integrated. Assign company code to chart of accounts. Okay, ST61, ST61. Define account group. Okay, position. 8842. Double 842, I'll just copy all this. Income accounts. Double 842, copy as. Why am I copying? Because that actually saves me a lot of time. Okay. Control Y. Okay, ST61 will have these GL accounts starting with these numbering range. Okay. Save. Okay, that is done. Now, next is retained earnings account. This is important. ST61. Retained earnings account is basically it records all your income and expenses, difference of that, profit and loss, and absorbs that and adjusts with the capital account. So 200,000, sorry, 20,000. It says it is not made. It is just a warning. I press enter, it will go away and save it. Okay. From here, of course, your today's lecture is over because